Welcome to chapter 15, Making Pots. Children, do you like to play with clay? Do you want to make pots from it? Yes, all the children like to play with clay. Children, here is an interesting story. There lived a sparrow and crow. Like you and me, they also had their names. The name of the sparrow was Phudguddi and the name of the crow was Bhanate. Both were fast friends. They played together, lived together at one tree and enjoyed together. One day Bhanate means children crow, said, "Oh friend." Who was the friend? Sparrow. "If you laid eggs first, then I will eat them. And if I lay eggs first, then you eat them." Both friends agreed on it. A few days after, Phudguddi laid an egg. Bhanate said, "Give me your egg, I will eat it. Please give it to me." Bhanate requested so many times. Phudguddi means sparrow was very scared of it. She said, "Okay, but I want you to first go and wash your beak in the river." Bhanate went to the river and said, "Oh river." River replied, "Yes brother, what happened?" Bhanate told, "Please give me some water." River said, "But you do not have any pot. How will you fill water? Go and first get a pot." Bhanate went to the potter and said, "Oh potter, please give me a pot. In the pot I will get water from the river. With that I will wash my beak and then I eat the egg." The potter said, "But how do I make a pot?" "Go and get some clay from the clay pit." Clay pit, children, where the clay is found in the pit. Bhanate went to the clay pit and said to it, "Oh clay pit, please give me some clay." He told that the potter would make a pot for me, then I fill the water in that pot and wash my beak to eat the egg. The clay pit said, "But how do I dig the soil? Get me a trowel from the blacksmith." Bhanate went the blacksmith and said, "Oh blacksmith, please give me a trowel." Then blacksmith told, "Sure, you can take the trowel, but do remember to return it." Bhanate told, "Sure, I will return it." Bhanate took the trowel and went to the clay pit. It dug the soil and got some clay. The potter made a pot for him. Bhanate filled water in the pot and washed its beak. Then he ran to eat Phudguddi's egg. By that time the sparrow's egg hatched. A little bird came out of it and flew away, far away from Bhanate. Children, this story is based on the Bhojpuri story written by Annapurna. I hope you have enjoyed the story. Children, according to you, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is we should not greedy. If any moral you find, then you can write in comment box below. Now come to the activity part of the chapter. This question, why did the crow need a pot? Crow needed a pot to fill water from the river. Next, who all helped the crow to make pot? Potter, clay pit and blacksmith helped him to make a pot. Next, what things did the potter need? The potter needed the clay to make pot. Next, are there utensils made of clay in your house? Which are these? In my house, there are balls made of clay. Next, if someone gives you clay, will you be able to make some utensils from it? Yes, I can make only few pots like ball. Using your thumb, make a small pit in the center by pressing so that it looks like a ball. Have it to dry and then decorate it. This is the activity for you. By seeing the picture, you can make the pot. Children, what will happen if you store water in the pots overnight? It will become cool. We often keep water in a clay pot at home or in the school. Why do these pots not get spoiled by the water? While keeping water in a clay pot, it does not get spoiled because of it baking in the kiln. Next, have you ever seen brick or pots being baked in a kiln? Yes. As far as my concern, yes, I have seen it. If you have also seen, write in the comment box below. Next activity. Long ago, when people did not have any pots, what did those people do? Long ago, when people did not have any pots, then they did not grow crops. They only hunted animals and gathered food. That is why they were known as hunters and gatherers. Next, why would people have made pots? Imagine one day all the pots disappear from the world. What will happen in your house? In my opinion, people would have made pots just for storage and cooking. It is very interesting. If one day all the pots disappear from the world, then people will start using leaves for food serving. They face problems too. Children, many years ago, there was a time when people had no pots. They started feeling the need to store and cook food. After a lot of effort and thinking, people learned to make pots. In the beginning, pots were made of stone and clay. People made pots of stones by digging and scraping stones with their hands. They made pots of clay by kneading the clay and shaping them with their hands. People also discovered that clay pots could be made stronger by baking them in fire. Children, I have attached a worksheet in the last of the chapter. By pausing the video and taking the screenshots, you may get it easily. I hope you find the video interesting. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.